Third round. 3, 2, and go. Shoot. Hellside is more aggressive than Dransword right here. Oh, that's a great hit. But yeah, stamina for Hellside is out. But okay, Dransword win that. So I think if we have the golden Hellside, let's go also for the original Hellside. Let's have the battle for the original. Let's go. And here we are, the original one, as you can see. They have the same pattern, but yeah, this is the original. It's more hard. The steel is very hard here. I don't know here, but yeah, let's try. Let's go. And the other details, they have the same, but it's in gold. But yeah, it's just a fake one. This is original. It really differs. In weight, I don't know. Let's go. The battle will decide for that. Let's go. Let's have a battle.